Hi everyone, welcome back. Yes, in our journey, so that is about 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools. Yes, start with the day one. Yes, we are going to look into in this section. So what we are going to discuss, that's in the day one agenda. Yeah, as a Linux journey which was started. Yes, Linux related the concepts, the day one agenda. If we just talk it that, we are going to look into that VirtualBox and Vagrant. Yeah, let's see this. So what are like videos on the labs that's we give it to make it the successful of this day one session? Yes, let me show that in our RNS portal. So how you can access that. Yeah, you know already how to access this learning path, right? Yes, in the first step, already I have given or I have shared one video in the YouTube channel that is how to access the course agenda. And once we access the course agenda, yes, you can click on this agenda forum links and which is going to redirect it to this link. And first, make sure that you have started the courses. Yeah, so here Linux course and labs. So if you needed more details, so just refer that in the playlist that is how to start Linux admin journey. Yeah, once you are successful, that is started the courses, then yes, as per this session, start with the day one. Yes, click on this link, then which is going to the redirecting to the forum that is day one agenda. So in this day one, you are going to look into the two videos and one lab you need to complete it. So what are those two videos if you just try to understand it? The first video, yes, before going to learn that the Linux and Linux commands, you should know, so what are the different types of the Linux distributions are available. So that is the first concept which you should know that. And not only that, first of all, why do we need that or why do we need to go for this Linux learning? And what is a data center? In the data center, which type of operating systems they use it? And what are the different tools that is required to connect it to the Linux systems? And what are the properties that is required to connect to the Linux system? All that have been given in this first video. So this is the first video that you are going to have it. So whenever you click on this, so yes, which will be open this video, just complete that, then you will get it about the Linux distributions. And if you'd like to connect from about our desktop systems or the laptop systems to the data center, so what are the main properties that is required? Everything that has been explained here. So this is the not more than half an hour. Yes, but the very, very important concept. So once you got it this point, that's Linux distributions. But if you'd like to practice it daily, the Linux commands, you need to have that, the Linux machine. But cloud, okay, we can use it to launch that virtual machine. But first work with that as a DevOps engineer in our system also. If you'd like to prepare that some POCs or if you quickly do some R&Ds, yes, you need to have that the systems in our local also. That's point of view. We didn't give directly moving to the cloud. Yes, how you can have that virtual machine. So with this VirtualBox software and with the Vagrant, that's it has been given that in the second video. So this is some kind of the practical session, the demo which has been given, and here it has been explained. So what is the virtualization software? Why do we need it? And how do we? What are the software that is required, and how do we install it or set up that those softwares one by one? Clearly, that's you will get it in this the video. So that's about the first two videos understanding about the Linux distributions and what are the different tools that is required to access the remote system. And as well as if you need it, the Linux is for the next commands to learn it, we need to have the Linux virtual machine. So how do we set up that environment using your laptop itself? So laptop specifications and everything also that has been covered here, which you can go ahead. And once you completed these two videos, then open about this, the lab guide. And herely, it has been given that, so how you can install the VirtualBox, Git Bash, Vagrant, and virtual machine using Vagrant, and features of the Vagrant file, and how do we use it, that Vagrant bootstrap a system with the shell scripts, and Vagrant to launch multiple systems, yes, multiple virtual machines if it is required, how do you launch it, and what are the important Vagrant commands. That's everything you will get it in this lab guide. So that's about the day one session. So please go ahead the one by one all these activities and try to complete it. Then you can have it this, then you can ready for the day two session. So this is the day one session. And if anyone would like to enroll to this, yes, I'm going to share that in the description. That is the enroll link. Yes, you can enroll it and you can get it immediately, the accessing this, the videos, whatever we are covering in this. If I have already enrolled, okay, then you can continue the learning one by one. But if anyone new members would like to enroll it, yes, here I'll share this in the description about that separate video link, how you can enroll it and how you can access this, the course. Yeah, that's all from this section, day one. And yes, we'll meet it in the next session, that is day two agenda. Thank you all.